Are you in the market for the best new bike work stand? We researched over 25 models before purchasing 9 for side-by-side testing and comparison. If you're an avid rider or an aspiring or serious home mechanic, then it's pretty likely you already know that a quality repair stand is one of the best additions you can make to your home or travel workspace. We tested each work stand for months in our home workshops and on the road to determine their strengths and weaknesses, and most importantly, how they compare to each other. Our first-hand testing brings you these recommendations to help you find the right model to suit your needs and budget. The first product on our list is Feedback Sports Pro Elite. The Feedback Sports Pro Elite had no problem earning top honors in our work stand test. This stand is very easy to set up and break down, collapses small for storage and travel, and is competitively lightweight. It has a tripod base with long legs that create a wide and stable footprint with quality metal quick-release collars and closures that help ensure stability within its 42-71 height adjustment range. The folding clamp arm is sturdy, with 360 degrees of rotational adjustment and a very user-friendly ratcheting quick-release clamp design. The clamp is the most impressive aspect of this stand, and it is much easier to use than any other model we've tested. While we loved almost everything about the Pro Elite, it is admittedly quite expensive, although far from the most expensive model we tested. It is worth the price, but if you can't justify the expense, Feedback Sports also makes less expensive models that work nearly as well. The second product on our list is Eclypse Repair Stand. The Eclypse Repair Stand surprised us with its performance throughout our testing process. Before researching for this test, we had never heard of the Eclypse brand, but we quickly learned that they offer a competitive budget-friendly work stand. The Eclypse is the lightest of any stand we tested without feeling flimsy or cheap, and it is also one of the quickest to set up and tear down. It offers a solid height adjustment range of 41 to 58 inches, a large plastic tool tray, and a strong cam lever clamp with 360 degrees of indexed angle adjustment. We didn't find another cam lever clamp as easy to use and effective as the Eclypse's. Its plastic and aluminum frame construction holds up to heavy enduro and downhill bikes, and we didn't experience any component wear or failures during testing. The convenient and user-friendly design combined with its low price makes it a great value for anyone looking to keep up on routine maintenance without breaking the bank. It's not all roses with the Eclypse, but for such an inexpensive stand, our concerns were relatively minor. When we started doing some heavier wrenching, we noticed that it was a bit less stable than some of its more expensive counterparts. The tripod base does its job admirably, but the smaller footprint means that it can get off balance when holding the bike at weird angles or under heavy loads. Additionally, we like the easy-to-use clamp angle adjustment, but we worry that over time, frequent use or carelessness, the plastic grooves that make the system work might wear out. In spite of these two issues, we won't hesitate to recommend this reasonably priced option to all but the pickiest mechanics out there. The next product in our list is Bikehand YC100BH. The Bikehand YC100BH work stand costs less than half as much as most other models we tested and is a very impressive value. Our expectations were about as low as the price, but we were pleasantly surprised to find that the Bikehand offers features and performance that far exceed its price tag. One of the lightest weight stands in our test selection, the Bikehand also collapses down the smallest for storage and travel. The simple and intuitively designed stand is quick and easy to set up and break down, and the clamp and angle adjustments are solid and user-friendly. The Bikehand can't match the stability of its much more expensive competitors, but we found it adequate for most do-it-yourself tasks. The included removable tool tray is also a nice feature. This stand isn't quite as stable as our top-rated competitors, and it also has a smaller range of height adjustment. We also have concerns about the durability of the Bikehand's many plastic parts, but we were generally impressed with its performance, especially for the price. If you're operating on a budget and need a work stand for home or travel, check out the Bikehand YC100BH. Thanks for watching and hope you liked it. As always, All the links about the products will be in the description below, so if you want to find the best prices, and more information that we might not get a chance to mention in the video, be sure to check them out.